In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Miles Morales. Check my video description for this or strike download link. Download this mod. In description, you can able to see this supports all format of the mods. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install Infinite Camo, Invisibility. Once download done, right click on OSTrike and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Open the OSTrike.exe. Select add game and in profile name, auto name you can type. Select browse and navigate to game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option and select create. Select the profile and select create profiles. We have successfully installed the OS track. Select this plus icon and navigate to downloads and select the mod you downloaded and select open. Select install mods option. We have successfully installed the mod. If you want to install more mods, select the plus icon and add more mods and select install mods and then launch the game. Once you are in game, you can use the invisibility anytime you want. It's infinite. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.